Are you looking for the best multimeters in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best multimeters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Kaiweets Digital Multimeter KM100. If you need a multimeter for at-home use now and again, then there's no point shelling out $40 or more for one. While it may lack features found on pricier models, such as auto range and the ability to test AC current, this multimeter from Kaiweets will handle most household multimeter needs and costs just a fraction of other multimeters. You can test AC voltage, DC current, resistance, continuity, and diodes. It also has safety features, including overload protection and built-in fuses, which make it a great pick for novices. Up next in the 4th place is the Tekpower Analog Multimeter TP7244L. While digital models may dominate the multimeter market, there are still some applications in which an analog model works best. For those, go with this multimeter for Tekpower. It gives you the ability to measure voltages, current, resistance, continuity, decibel values, and test diodes. There's also a mirror behind the needle that helps eliminate false readings from parallax, a common problem with analog multimeters. We also like the tough build quality of this multimeter, which features a rubberized cover that protects the entire case, and the built-in backlight that makes the display easier to read in dark places. The 3rd product on our list is the Klein Tools Multimeter MM400. Klein's multimeter combines great accuracy, range, and functionality with a reasonable price tag to make it a powerful multimeter for jobs around the house. Along with being able to measure AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts and 10 amps, it's also capable of measuring capacitance, temperature, and frequency. We also love the fact that it comes with automatic ranging, eliminating any guesswork when setting it up. The MM400 is also one of the tougher multimeters at its price point. Thanks to a rubberized coating on the exterior, it can survive drops of up to 1 meter unscathed. Second on our list is the Fluke 302 Plus 400 AC clamp meter. A clamp meter gives you the ability to take quick readings, often in tight quarters, without having to physically connect to the circuit. With its compact size, large activation switch, and backlit display, the Fluke 302 Plus is one of the top clamp meters. Its small size allows it to take measurements in small spaces, such as a car engine or small electrical box. There's also an auto-ranging feature that makes it easier to take quick readings, and a larger dial that you can manipulate while wearing safety gloves. We also like the 302's heavy-duty casing, which is tough enough to endure daily use and occasional drops. Finally, the top product on our list is the Ideal Electric Commercial Grade Multimeter 61357. A high degree of accuracy and the ability to work with high voltage makes this multimeter from Ideal Industries a great choice for the professional electrician. Whereas most multimeters top out at 600 volts, this model is capable of measuring voltage up to 1000 volts. It also measures for a broad range of values, automatically selects range, and uses true RMS to produce very accurate AC readings. There's also a built-in non-contact voltage detector that lets you know when you're working near a live current. For those who pine for the older days of analog multimeters, this model produces an analog graph on its display along with standard digital readings. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.